Do I snore? I look like I snore. But I do not snore.
Because I was thinking you had a deviated septum.
Yeah, you thought I'd have a deviated septum because I got a freaking... a little honker.
By the way you're talking.
By the way I'm talking? Really?
Okay, you don't know shit when you're sleeping.
I have a wife that would have told me that I'm snoring by now, lady. So yeah, my wife would have told me by now if I'm snoring, okay?
So they're snore too.
She's not a snorer
How do you know?
because I'm awake when she sleeps and I watch her sleep. Is that so weird? I married the woman of my dreams and I watch her sleep.